guys, happy Friday. It's Friday the 13th over here, which for me has been a little weird. I just recorded this video and realized that I recorded it on my personal Facebook page, not this one. So I'm doing the video all over again because I can't download the video from my personal to just upload it to here. So here I am again. For those of you that are new, I'm attorney Bianca Jordan. I'm an immigration attorney in Boston. I help immigrants from all over the world come to the United States with green cards, visas. I help immigrants get US citizenship, asylum. I help immigrants that are facing deportation. So if you have any questions about your case or anything that I talk about in this video, you can call my office at 508-942-7497. And for those of you that are out of the United States, you can send me a message or call me using WhatsApp. So as you know, the world is in a frenzy right now over the coronavirus, whose official name is COVID-19. And so a lot of people are just out here trying to prepare as best as they can with how to deal with the coronavirus. And the coronavirus has already started to affect certain people, especially when it comes to your immigration cases. So first, USCIS is encouraging anyone, if you feel sick or if you know you are sick, to reschedule your appointment instead of coming in. And you can do so by calling 1-800-375-5283. And they're not going to hold it against you. They really want to just make sure that we're not continuing to spread any of these germs and any of this virus. So we really want to make sure that, right now everybody is self-isolating. And so USCIS is just strongly encouraging you that if you have an appointment coming up and you feel sick or you are sick, or even if you just don't really want to go in because you don't want to be around other people that may be sick or may have come in contact with the coronavirus, you can just call and reschedule. Again, that number is 1-800-375-5283. Similarly, I would make sure that you're checking in with your immigration attorney to make sure that your appointments haven't been rescheduled, whether it's a court date. A lot of immigration judges are clearing their docket for the rest of the month, and they're rescheduling a lot of people's cases. So make sure that your case is not one of them, or if it is, that you know that your case is being rescheduled. So definitely touch base with your immigration attorney to make sure that your case is still on, or if it's being rescheduled, that you know when the new date is. Make sure that you're checking in to see if your immigration interview has been rescheduled. There are some USCIS offices that are rescheduling naturalization ceremonies. So you want to call, make sure, check in with your attorney. If you don't have an attorney, call USCIS, check in on your office just to see if there are any office closures or if things are being rescheduled. Speaking of limiting exposure, effective immediately, I'm not offering any in-person consultations at this time. I have always offered telephone consultations as well as video consultations because I have a lot of clients that aren't in the United States that are trying to get to the United States. So if you do want to book a consultation with me, regardless, we might not be able to meet in person, but I will still, we can do a video conference or we can have a telephone conference. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about is the European travel ban. As you know, the president announced this yesterday, and the European travel ban goes into effect today at 11:59 p.m. and it impacts mostly European countries such as Spain, Italy. There are about 26 countries, I believe, that are on this list. The United Kingdom is not included, and this ban does not apply to certain relatives of U.S. citizens, so green card holders, but everybody else, it impacts you if you have been to one of the banned countries within 14 days of trying to come to the United States. So again, this impacts about 26 countries. I don't have the full list in front of me, but I know that Spain is on this list. I think Hungary is on this list, Iceland, Italy. There are a lot of different countries, Portugal. So for the full list, I did post the proclamation on my Facebook page, facebook.com/brazen lawyer. So you can go and look at the full list to see if one of those countries that you're thinking of might be on this list. And that ban again goes into effect today at 11:59 p.m. I really just wanted to talk about the travel ban and immigration consequences. There are a lot of lawyers throughout the country that are not offering in-person interviews or in-person meetings right now. A lot of immigration offices are closing. A lot of courts are closing. A lot of judges are clearing their calendar for the rest of the month at least. So you want to make sure that if you have an attorney, check in with your attorney. I'm pretty sure your attorney will let you know anyway. If you don't have an attorney, make sure that you're calling the court to see if your case has been rescheduled. If you don't hear something, maybe be proactive and see if there have been any scheduling changes with your case. If you have an upcoming interview with the USCIS, if you have an upcoming naturalization swearing in ceremony, make sure that it's still on, or maybe, if it's rescheduled. And again, if you're feeling sick and you want to reschedule your interview on your own, you can call USCIS to do so. The number again is 1-800-375-5283. I hope that everybody is staying as safe and calm as possible. I know there's a lot going on right now. We don't really